Hi guys, Retro Trek Ralph here. I've got another one of my models I'm going to show you, and this one is a biggie. Trust me. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce you to didn't even fit the Refit USS Enterprise Polar Lights model kit, 1/350th scale model. Now this is bloody huge, and there's a massive amount of problems with this, namely being it's too big to film. The Aztec patterns actually came with the model kit on this. This is what's so good about Diamond Select, is they took the original models idea, what people have been selling for decades, and went, let's do it bigger. So while I'm cleaning, there's a lot of surface area on here. There's a lot of things on here as well that I've added on. First, I've got to apologise for the stand. For some reason, I got it in my head that, there you go, I can't even zoom out. It's ridiculous. I need a wide-angle lens on this to do this. I got the idea that the stand was definitely apart from the space dock, and for some reason I've got it in my head that it was orange. So all the stand is, oh, I can't do this. There it is. Put the stickers on, which are things like solar panels, and what I needed to do, and I still do, is all these gaps here, the lowered sections, needed to be painted black. So they're orange outlining and everything black. It could be very easy to do, but didn't really get down to it. Could still do it, I know I can. But unfortunately, either I haven't got the time, the patience or the effort lately to do it. So I clean off all the dust on the stand. Sorry, there's a great view and you can't even see what I'm doing, can you? Oh, there I am. The problem with models are you're on display all the time. Unless you're going to put them in a display case. Somebody actually put one of these models under a table and made a feature out on it, so you could see the table. The glass table was there, and then it was kind of the sheet over top of this, which this is sealed in. It's absolutely brilliant, amazing. Right, from while you're up there, let's get lights out. Let's get some power into this, shall we? And this is going to take a while to go around everything. I've just discovered something. A little bit. The nacelles on the back of here aren't glowing because the cold cathodes. So what I need to do is pause you here and get a better amp power supply. So give me 2 minutes and you'll see these little bleeders glow properly. That's better. Better power supply. Now, nothing on this is too over the top. The crystals for the nacelles are a little bit bright. The light goes straight up. But the nacelles, the cold cathode behind it is such a, they've got 2 bars in there because there's such a decent light on there. I'm going to hold it there. You've got the front dish. I'm going to have to take the camera off the stand and show you a bit better on this. A lot of lighting on the side works absolutely perfectly. Got a tiny lighting leak on the side there. Even got down to doing thrusters, running lights, lighting on the back. Impulse engine on the back. And your impulse crystal as well. See, another thing that cocked up as well on here These are arboretums inside here, but you can't see it because, again, I've matted the ship. And that'll ring light on the back there, ring lights underneath. I'll show you the saucer. Actually, I think the TV's on. Oh, just there you go. Cable's not perfectly in. Turn that off. See, nothing lit on there for the running numbers anyway. Didn't want that. Again, part of the kits with the upgrade things inside. Well, actually, further with this kit, there's a officer's mess lounge behind there. You can't see it because I've done that on there again. But underneath, it's absolutely stunning. These. You got the photon torpedo launchers. You got the thrusters on around the main navigation reflector. The place looks quite good actually on this lighting. We've even got lighting, if you look in the background there, for the bottom of the the warp nacelles, next to the grills on the front. There's a lot on this kit which is all perfectly normal. It's there, just waiting to be done. Ooh, that's better. Can't see a bloody thing now, but this is one hell of a kit. I want the, what do you call it, the other one. The second, oh, excuse me, this was the first kit that they came out with, but I do want the second one, the Polar Lights 150th original Enterprise. So let me show you the back of the ship, and inside here, the shuttle bay. Now it's kind of a mishmash between original film and the A, because you've got an A shuttle pod there and the transport shuttles and a worker bee inside. Worker bee in the back as well. It does give you a hell of a lot of good depth on here. If you can see really at the back, let me see if I can get you in. I don't want you there, I want you there at the back. The travel pod there. I don't think this will focus right at the back where I want you to see. There we go. Right at the back there's another worker bee. And these turbo lifts on the shuttle there, these parts there in the centre of the screen now, they were supposed to light up and something must have come off. But they don't light up, which is a shame really. But you've got so much depth in this ship. Another travel pod down there is really full. Extra shuttles and travel pods and all sorts. But I really do like this model. I've lost focus now completely. One of each on the front there, so you can see everything. I didn't bother painting the windows on the worker bees. They're far too small. Let me try and put my finger in front to show you how small these are. See? I have a normal size disgusting finger, but that's how small they are, and you're supposed to do a window on that? Ain't gonna happen. Look, to put the stickers on the travel pods. The lights light up there. These do actually light up on the side of here as well, but I haven't actually got around to scratching the paint off to make the light come through. Something I haven't really done. Is that notorious look that it's boss-eyed on the nacelle, on the impulse. Great to actually get a close-up view of this for a change. I mean, there's probably a lot of things wrong with this. And I know they are. Now, like I said, I'm not the best model maker out there. I'm not claiming to be the best model maker. I just love having these. When you do them yourself, it's just little things you can do, like there's a little light in there. And circle around it. Sorry for the shaking, I'm holding this by my hand. That's in the front there. And when you've got a hobby like this, it doesn't really matter what these end up as long as you've done your best. And you enjoy the final outcome of these. The thrusters either side of the... So let's have a look inside the Arboretum, shall we? Yeah, well, it's in there. It is lit, but you don't really see it on the model anyway, to be honest. Different lighting on the back of there just shows you the little bit of depth, maybe a different type of room. Lighting on the inside of there, the cells, light on the top. It's just, there are so many different places that they actually did. They gave you such a good clue to try and get on with this model. Even bottom of the pylons here, you got these little running lights on here, which if you put a decent LED on it, it would light up like it's supposed to in the film, but it just gets completely gaffered by my cold cathodes. It's absolutely ridiculous. But in the dark, she looks good. In the day, yeah, quite proud of this one. Well, that's the point. I'm holding this. A lot of dust on this, but it's good enough because it's a big model. See, all these, none of these have been bought. None at all. Any of this series, not at all. I make them myself. I have got one I need to start making soon, but I don't know. It's not a Star Trek one. It is a Space 1999 model. And actually, I think I've lost it. Oh no. I'll figure out where it is. It's in here someplace. But anyway, I hope you like that. It's going to be bored out already. Bridge out of the way. So please, like and subscribe. If you enjoyed this, then join me in another video next time, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.